So in this video, you'll be learning how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. So going through a factory reset process means that you're erasing every piece of data that's currently on your device and taking it back to the way it was when you first purchased it, without anything set up and just waiting for you to go through the process and setting it up yourself. So if you're ready to continue with the factory data reset or the factory reset, then you need to ensure that at least your data on your phone is backed up. So you can do this by backing up your phone to the Samsung cloud, or you can use Google Drive. It's completely up to you. And once you've made your choice and you've backed up your data, you can then open the settings app and you want to scroll and select General Management. Under General Management, tap on Reset. And then from here, scroll down until you find Factory Data Reset. Tap on it. Then you can see a list of details that are going to be erased. So you have your accounts, Google and Samsung, or anything else. Then when you scroll down, you can see all the apps that will be uninstalled, including any installed apps that you had, and all sorts of information. Then from here, just tap on Reset, and you'll need to confirm using your PIN, password, or pattern, and then tap on Delete All, and just wait for your device to delete every single piece of data that's currently on it. Once it's been deleted, it will then take you back to the setup page on your S24. And so that's how you can factory reset your Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.